Welcome back to the shop. Today we have this beautiful C6 Corvette we'll be working on. that's not good. So here is the inside of the spring here. And you can see that the sleeve inside the spring actually came loose. So unfortunately, I think we might end up having to replace the spring. That thing was just seized up in there. We tried to save it. I've never seen that before, actually. Might as well try to get it out. Well, two-part problem. Found the reason for the squeak. The pad on this rear one was missing, just rubbed off, just like we talked about. Second, this insert that's actually supposed to stay with the spring ended up popping out of it. Crazy thing is, it doesn't look like there's any physical pieces of metal that might tie it into that spring. You'd think there'd be tags that pop up that slot it from, keep it from turning, but this thing was just jammed in there. Unfortunately, I could not save it, couldn't get it out, so we're gonna have to get a new spring. Stay tuned for the next one. Nothing's ever easy, you know, nothing's ever easy here. Trying to take my glove off. These things will tear if you look at them wrong. These gloves, that is. Sometimes the vets too. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one.